Okay, working on a Thunderbolt 500 or Mercury Thunderbolt 500. It's probably 19, I'm guessing 75. Not sure just yet. But what I got here is it was seized up and pulled the power head off of the engine. And the reason it's seized up is you got inside your engine, you got these reed valves. And if you look, there's a hole back here. And if you really look close, that guy is just completely gone. And a screw is supposed to go through that side. And then on the back side, where's that? Right there, there's a pinhole at the bottom of the crankcase. And that sets in a pin. And then this locks this into place so that it can't move. This one's a little better. This one that I have in my hand, you can see the grooves in this one. It's still a little out, but anyway, it's going to need new revalves. So now you use a puller like this to pull this guy off, and that allows you to get, back behind here. I actually messed up my shims, but that's okay because you can remeasure all your tolerances in the engine and then replace it with the right shims. It was still seized up, even though I got some of the parts of the valve was actually, if you see this side, broke off. So that was laying up in the engine. You just want to make sure it's not in your bearings. Check your bearings. And over here somewhere I have the yeah, so you can see how this holder bent back, and when it bent back, then those pieces broke. And here's some of the pieces. You can see it just broke. So it's going to need probably new blocks and new revalves, and you can have this engine running back again. So what I do is I pull this pulley off. It was still locked up, but once I got the pulley going, it freed it, and now it just turns like butter. So the next thing to do would be to check your compression by just putting a compression checker in here, and make sure that all of your cylinders are in tolerance, and you could be back in business instead of spending a lot of money. These old motors are great and easy to work on. So anyway, I just wanted to show everybody that because I'm not seeing a lot of that on YouTube. And thanks a lot.